Hey, York students. I've got an exciting announcement for you about an upcoming opportunity to help speed up and upgrade your laptop. Each summer, we ask that you image your laptop and bring it in for normal maintenance. Well, now, for the first time ever, we're offering that opportunity early during Challenge Week. This video is about the Challenge Week laptop maintenance drop-off plan. We would be really excited to get some of the summer imaging done early. And this means upgrading your computer in advance of the summer, letting you enjoy your summer, not having to bring in your laptop during that time, and giving it back to you in anticipation of the next school year, ready to go. We're also excited to update you about a new Mac-specific piece of software we're putting on all the machines called York Apps. This is the new York App Store and the new way we're going to be distributing software to the Macintosh fleet and student-owned Macs while you're in the school. We want every Mac student with a Mac to have this on their computer, so this is part of that plan as well. So Mr. Cooper is going to tell you about what's going to be done to your computer and how you can drop it off.
So if you're to bring a PC, you would get the Windows 10 upgrade. Any warranty repairs, that means any broken screens, broken keys, etc. Speed tune-up, fresh keyboard clean, and screen buff and shine. On your Mac, you will get the York App Store installed so you can get new software. OS upgrade, speed tune cleanup, and again, we will freshly clean your keyboard.
So what we're asking you to do is bring in your computer in anticipation of Challenge Week or during Challenge Week, depending on who you are. So Challenge Week begins next weekend. So grade 9s and 10s going on Challenge Week trips might consider dropping their laptop off on Friday, April 27th. If you're a grade 7 and 8 student, you can drop it off anytime during Challenge Week, and you can receive it back at the end of the day. If you're a grade 11, the same thing applies because you'll be in the building. Please make sure that your laptop has your name on it so that we can identify your laptop and turn it around to you. And just remember that we're not going to be wiping your machine. We'll be giving it back to you just the way you left it. But make sure that you do turn on Google Cloud Sync so that you've got everything backed up. Thanks a lot, and we'll look forward to seeing your machine and imaging it early.